Good day everyone! Since nag-crave tayo ng palabok for today, this is a simple palabok. Luto na natin palabok. This is our palabok pasta. Our chicharon, chicken chicharon because wala namang mamoy rito. And of course, egg and lemon. So as simple as that. And this is our beloved sauce. So gusto na mo medyo saucy, dito medyo dry. So for this one, let's try. So this is our palabok. Okay, simple lang, just to satisfy the cravings. And let's put some additional sauces. Although gibutangan na ako siya, but let's put a little. And of course, let's sprinkle it with some our chicharon. And of course, garnish it with egg. No more ichichik burichik na mga iba. Okay, so this is now our palabok, and let's crush it with lemon.
Sorry.
Wow, look at that, simple, easy, and just to satisfy our cravings. More to, bye bye.